Everything that God created fits together perfectly. God's presence can hardly be detected even in the most common substances like water, vegetations, animals, mostly in our environments. Beautiful clouds, birds, lilies, flowers, nature generally plays praise in various ways the Creator who fashioned them. God's creative presence is shown in everything He created. We are blessed by our God for creating lovely environment for humans to dwell in. Some of the most fascinating details of creation occur on the scale of very small and very large. Examples extend widely from the world of tiny living microbes to the vast regions of space. Everyday analogies and comparisons may be the best way to help us appreciate the rich diversities of observation. The magnificence of nature is the fact and the evidence of the existence of God. We can't see God, but we see the existence of Him through creation. God created mankind so that he could enjoy all of the good things that God created. The evidence of the existence of God is within nature itself, and the existence of His commandments are contained within the natural laws, and all the living things have a latent knowledge of the natural laws. Everything that God created, He proclaims they are perfect. And everything that God created, He affirms are perfect.
And you watch and see that all these things, when you look at them merely, it gives joy. All will be joy and peace. All will be gladness. All will be shared to eat on the table of Lord Himself. It is God, it is Jesus, which is our great Creator, who wants us to be, who will love us to come close to Him.